Hey, come with me. Let's go create a membership website with no code. Welcome back to the Entrepreneur Shack. My name is Amanda, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a membership website with no code or any special computer skills. But before we jump into that, I just want to remind you to hit that big red subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I post more videos like this, hit the bell icon as well. So first things first is we need software that's going to take care of the coding, the memberships, and all the payments, right? Because we're not going to do that. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you with Clickfunnels. Better look at the camera, right? So what you're going to do is click on that link in the description below that says grab my free Clickfunnels trial. Okay, and you don't have to buy the thing. This is just a trial, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it, so that's why I'm showing you with this software. You'll notice that when you click there, you will come to this web page right here. And this is my page first. And the reason why I'm asking you to opt in for my newsletter is because while I can give you some great tips here in this video, I think that it will be in your best interest to keep up to date with all of my marketing tips and tricks. I'll be able to show you a lot more value on how to get your customers to climb that value ladder and ultimately make your business more money. So go ahead, opt in on this page. I mean, if you really don't want to, okay. Just click on that little link down below. And then you're gonna come onto this page right here, and then you're just gonna enter your email address and create your password so you can get your Clickfunnels account. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in there. And then on the next page, they'll ask you for your billing information. The reason why they do this is because then it's automated for you. So if you decide that you wanna continue, you are just automatically billed. Otherwise, you can cancel it, no penalty to you. Now, once you're done that, you're inside your dashboard here, and all we need to do is we need to click on the new funnel button. And then it's gonna load up this guy right here. And it's going to kind of walk you through the little wizard of creating a new funnel. And what we're creating here is a membership website funnel. So we're going to be selling a product, and that product is going to be your membership site. So choose product, and then we're going to choose membership. So sell your content with a membership that you can charge for. Choose that. And I'm just going to call this the Entrepreneur Shack membership site. And then just click build your funnel. Now the software will take care of all the code for you, and it will create the pages that you need. So the first page is where people can go and sign up and create their membership. And then the other page is the actual membership area where you put all your content. It could be a course, it could be, just your premium content, whatever it is that you want. So if you see on the left-hand side here, they've got a column. Now the category and the lesson, this will dynamically update as you add your lessons or sections or whatever it is that you're offering in your membership area. It will dynamically update here. So the other bits in that column, typically I notice that most entrepreneurs use this as an area to kind of like upsell people or maybe like sell them on their coaching program or whatever it is. So that's another option. And I'm just gonna go exit and just kind of show you the other bits here. So you'll see here, you've got a section, right? And then you've got the first lesson. So the section hosts the lesson. So if you want to add a new section, for example, we'll just call this section number 2, right? So first section hosts first lesson. That's how it's set right now. And then section number 2 I can go ahead here and add a new lesson, and I'm gonna put it under section 2, and I'm gonna say section 2's first lesson. And you can choose, like, let's say you've already created a template for your lessons, you can preload that into here as well. You see here the help, you can get like straight away help. They've got lots of tutorials and everything on it. In addition to this, you can also drip your lessons out. So you see here there's a drip delay. So let's say you're saying, hey, like we've got this 30-day challenge, there's gonna be a new lesson every day. So you can say, you know, drip out these lessons one by one over the next 30 days. So you can say like send lesson 1 after day 1, send lesson 2 after 2 days, this kind of thing, right? Which is really, really cool. And you know, most of the other platforms that give you like, you know, membership area, like let's say like Thinkific or WordPress or whatever, there's either you have to upgrade to, you know, the bigger package, and then it's just for that particular type of software. So let's take Thinkific for example. You upgrade just so you can get like the drip features and everything. I mean, then you're just having like a course software. You're not having as well like the funnels and the website builder and all this stuff like Clickfunnels does. So this is the reason why I am suggesting it to you here. And then as well, like I can also take WordPress as an example. I know a lot of people will be like, oh, well, I don't want to pay, like I want to do it free, which is totally cool. And I get that. And I've been there and I've done that because, you know, you got to start somewhere. But I'm just going to let you know, like the free version, it takes a lot of time. All right. So you got to be willing to put in the time if you want to do the free version. Otherwise, I highly recommend, like, if you've got an idea, you know, if you've done your research and you know that this is wanted by your network or your list or your people, then yeah, go ahead and like sell your membership. Just get it all done in here, because like think about it. $97 for Clickfunnels. Like, what are you going to charge? You're going to charge like maybe $40. Like, you just need 2 people to sign up. It's paid for. As well, you can track all your members. So you can actually come in here and track all your members that have signed up. You know, you can see what things they've been looking at. And you've also got your stats. So if you can see here all of your conversion rates. So you can see how many people have visited that page, how many have opted in. You know, if you have it in a funnel this way, you can see how many get to the next page and how many get to the next page, and so on and so forth. You're learning how to create a membership website without code. You're also getting the sales machine built into it. So for me, it's a no-brainer. Drop a comment below if you're going to be building your membership website for free access, do a hashtag free, or if you're going to be building your membership website for paid access or paid content, put a hashtag paid in the comments below. So here's a critical part of the membership setup process that I almost forgot in the original recording, and that is the actual payment, handling the payment, all that kind of stuff, and restricting access to people who don't make payments. So I know that while some people might be doing the membership area for free, some might want to charge for it. So first things first, in your account, you need to go up to your profile in the top right corner here, and we need to first add in a payment gateway. So this is going to be where you accept your payments. So I kind of played around a little bit with it, and I feel like if it's available in your area, Stripe is the best one because I find it's the easiest. So I'm going to go ahead and create a Stripe account, and it will actually let you create a new one right in the process, or you can connect with an existing one, and you just walk through the prompts here. All right, so I have previously gone and connected with it, so it just did it automatically, but after that last step, you would see, you know, all your personal information. Obviously, I don't want you to see that here on this video, but you put in all your personal information if you want to create a Stripe account. Otherwise, up in the top right corner, there'll be a little link that says already have a Stripe account, sign in, and then you just sign in and away you go. Then you have this here. Okay, so now that that's done, we can go back to our funnel. So just under the menu here, go to funnels, and then you're just going to click on your funnel. And now we need to add a new step. Okay, so we're going to just create the membership buy page, and it has to be a checkout page. So for the templates, we're going to choose sales, and we're going to choose order form. Okay, and then it doesn't matter which one you choose, just pick one. And I'll just move that step. I'll just click and drag it up before the membership access. And then now you'll see that this new tab has opened up here, and it says products. So just click on products, and then this is where you're going to add in your membership, right? So the membership itself is going to be the product. So we'll just call it VIP membership. Okay, and then you just put in your amount, and then you'll see here the billing is just going to be automatic, connected to your account, your payment gateway that you just added. And then just set it up as you wish. So if you want to set it monthly, you can do as a subscription, or if you just want one time, you can do that way as well. And then that's it. You just create your product, and there you have it. So now when you go into your membership area, then when you see the restricted access, you click on that, you'll see your product pops up. So then it will say restricted access to only people who have purchased this product. And that's it for setting it up with payment. So now that you know how to create a membership website without code, you need a way to get traffic to your website, right? So what I recommend to you is grab my free SEO for Bosses checklist so that you can maximize your SEO results in the search engine and get more traffic to your business. Thanks so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, share it with your network, and I will see you on the next vid.